Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas, and it is May the 8th on a Monday morning. The SPYs and the Qs are opening up pretty much flat on the day, so nothing really to talk about there. Was an impressive bounce on Friday after several days of sell-off. So let's take a look at some opportunity. I think you have to keep an eye on Amazon. Amazon has had a nice bounce after earnings, and I think if it does get back above this 200-day, you could see a move higher there in Amazon for a swing trade. This AIM is looking pretty interesting here. It actually, I'm not sure now. That's only 77 shares traded, but after earnings had a nice move, a couple of days of pullback and a bar reversal on Friday. So watch this AME. Uh, Boot, this is one maybe to keep an eye on. Not a very strong looking chart. You can see it's in a downtrend, but trade above this 50 period moving average. And if it can really take out this high going back over here, maybe around 75.50, put you alert in there and watch that boot on potential reversal there on the longer term time frame. Aqua, let's keep an eye on Aqua today. This is actually one of the strength alerts from Michael. You had an impressive move on Thursday, and then a nice gap in a doji day. Could be looking for a follow through. This is at all time highs, so watch that Aqua through Friday's high. And one more EDU. I'm liking this EDU. It's a kind of it's a China plague. It's can be pretty volatile, but earnings and moved higher, and now it has pulled back. Had a nice little setup bar yesterday, but does take out this 2-day high here. Could be a nice trade. All right, guys, have a great day. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye bye.